Good morning. Welcome to the pre-market report for 22nd of November 2022. So before proceeding further, do subscribe our channel D Trading Class and press the bell icon so that you will get a regular updates whenever I'm posting a new video. So also we are having workshops on advanced option trading, a complete trading course which is available for just 2,000 rupees. You can find the course details in website www.dtradingclass.com. The particular link is given in description. And Alice Blue free Demat and trading account opening link is given in description. You can make use of it. So let's move on to the global market. So XGS Nifty yesterday made a low of 18,186 and a high of 18,249 and closed around 18,227. So which is almost 50 to 60 points higher than our yesterday's hour market closing. So this indicates XGS Nifty will open 50 points of gap up and market may likely to sustain over there. As I told yesterday in pre-market report, this week the entire market may trade in and around 18,000 and 18,500. This is what the major expectation. So why? Because you can see open interest for call option and put option, they have written both. Slightly they are bought for put option, but we'll see now. Okay, this is a Nifty put option. So they are started buying put option up to 17,900. Okay. So this call option, you can see some unwinding and they are written some call option. So expected market will be some correction that we'll see in chart. Okay. At the same time, in case of Bank Nifty also, they have started writing put option up to, they are buying put option up to 42,400 and they have started writing call option. So market will not show the much movement till we trading in the some range. That is what sideways market or range bound market. If you look at the Nifty chart, you can see yesterday I told you, so the fall will be there after this line. Okay, so it is a bearish candle started, but you can see some buying pressure here. After closing, maybe today, maybe a gap up opening, maybe around here. So again, it will start moving. Okay, but so this more like consolidation, means between this line 17,900 to 18,400. So maybe trading in this one, and Nifty may get bullish again after breaking this zone. After breaking the resistance zone, the Nifty may turn bullish again. So if you say Bank Nifty is looking seriously bullish. Okay, so because again today it may be a gap up opening and this trying to break this level, or it may close around here. Okay, so again if it is breaking this, maybe a bullish. So the intraday support and resistance zones will be again a 42,500 will be a strong resistance and 42,000 will be a strong support. So after breaking this, then 43,000 on higher side and 41,500 on lower side. Okay. So similarly in case of Nifty, then 81,250, 18,300 will be the strong resistance zone. Similarly, 18,100 will be the strong support. Okay. So hope you enjoy watching this video. So do subscribe and share. So whoever doing trading, share this video and like the button. Okay. Thank you.